in our universe? To which universe goes the massive collapsed star? In order to answer this question we must calculate from the beginning. At first, there was unknown dimension that put force to create the first universe. This unknown dimension is the source of all the masses in all the universes in our structure of universes. This unknown dimension inserted mass or something that become a mass to the universe. We got three-dimension physical universe with mass as we know it. In the next step mass came together as a result of gravity, stars were created. Stars were created not in spherical form and not in an internal structure of stars as we know it. Just a mass that came together. When the first star collapsed, a black hole was created in which inside a new universe was created. As a result of the intensity of the explosion, a huge time distortion was created between the two universes. Because of the time distortion, the mass came into the new universe in the form of stardust saturated with gas and fuel. That created the first sun in the second universe. In addition, as a result of the explosion and because of the distortion of time between the two universes and the spiral shape of the star's collapse, the sun began to move all the way in spiral way and created the first Milky Way motion. 2 or 3 suns collided in the center of the Milky Way created the first supermassive black hole that create a new universe with time distortion between the two universes but could move whole stars in a whole structure without turning them into stardust. In the universe created from supermassive black hole, as resulting of collapsed star created a new universe with time distortion between the two universes. Here too, a new sun was created and create Milky Way movement all the way to the center. Here again 2 suns collided creates the first supermassive black hole. But this is all. No star that collapses will create any new universe unless the supermassive black hole has not yet created the universe to which the mass of the collapsed star will enter to create a new sun. In this case, a black hole created by the collapse of a star will create a new universe. Each star collapse will create a new sun and exists universe created from supermassive black hole. There is a mirror effect here. The first star that collapsed in the second universe, does the mass come back to the first universe that has time distortion or creates a new universe with another time distortion? The first star that collapsed in the second universe creates a new universe with time distortion that equal to the time distortion of the first universe. If the mass were returned to the first universe that has time distortion, then how will that first universe will create suns in the third or fourth universes? Universes do not know things, they behave in a physical ways. The mirror effect is the only way that can give a physical solution to bubbles of universes with and without time distortion. Not yet proven, but must be a mirror of parallel universes with time distortion and without time distortion matching that each universe is the appearance of suns in the other universe. It is actually corresponding universes which the stars are collapsing and creating a new suns in existing universes. Only the first 2 universes were created in the star explosion, the rest of the universes were created in supermassive black holes. Here is in the picture. At the center is the creator universe. On the left are the universes with time distortion. On the right are the universes without time distortion. Universe 2 creates a universe with time distortion and the universe 3 by star collapse. Universe 3 creates universe 4 by star collapse. Universe 4 creates universe 5 by supermassive black hole and universe 5 creates universe 6 by supermassive black hole. Universes 1, 3, 5, 7 have time distortion relative to universes 2, 4, 6, 8. Universes 1, 3, 5, 7 create suns in universes 2, 4, 6, 8. Universes 2, 4, 6, 8 create suns in universes 1, 3, 5, 7. All the universes from the 4th and 5th universes were created from supermassive black holes. The structure of universes constructed as the mirror of other universes is the only solution that can explain the physical of the universes. That is why a star that collapses in our universe comes in the form of stardust to a universe that is numbered in formation 1 more than our universe numbered in formation. So then, when we will make an artificial space rift in our universe, we will reach the universe with a huge time distortion between the universes, but we will feel that we are in a regular universe with stars in another Milky Way, but similar to ours. The black hole created by the collapse of a star and the supermassive black hole, both lead to the universe with time distortion. The difference is that the first creates a new sun in the other universe and the other is the passage of whole stars to the other universe.